Letters for digit. So there are certain puzzles in which the letters take the place of digit in an arithmetic sum. So in order to find out which letter represents which digit, it's just like a code, cracking a code. So we'll take the problems of addition and multiplication. So we have two rules we need to follow in these puzzles. First, each letter in the puzzle must stand for just one digit, not two digits. Each digit must be represented by just one letter. Then the second thing is, the first digit of a number cannot be 0. You cannot have 063 or 0063. It has to be 63. 63 has to be written like this. And one more thing, that the answer would be 1. So let us find it out. Find q in this addition. So when you add q with 3, you should get some 1. So what number added with 3 will give you 1? If you add 8, it will be 8 plus 3, 11. So you get 1. But once you add 8, because q has to be same, 8 here, you say that this is 1, this 1 goes up. So 8 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 0. And this goes 5. So of course, this q is 8. This is how it is done. Then a plus b in this addition. So a plus a plus a. So 3 numbers have to be added and the number has to be similar. The result has to be similar, and other, some carry on can go. So there are 2 letters actually. And just study this addition in the first column, 3 a's. So result has to be this. So what to be done? We can 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15, means 5 will come, so a will come a, or 0 0 0 0 will come. So these are our 2 options. A can be chosen as 0, a can be chosen as 5. If you take any other number from 0 to 9, you will not get a here. So 0 plus 0, let us start with a equal to 0. So 0 plus 0 0, b will be 0 2, and b is not 0. That means if b is equal to 0, so a becomes equal to b. So we cannot choose a as 0. Now let us take a equal to 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. 5 will come here. 1 is there. This is a. This is b, and this is a. Right? Find the digits a and b. Now you have to add a with 3 so that you get a. So this also has letter b, right? Since one's digit is this, when you multiply this, see, when you multiply this 3 into a, first you multiply ba by 3. No, then you add the result with ba into b. This is what you do. So you see that we know that a into 3 has to come a. For that, you can take a equal to 0 and a equal to 5. You can do this. 3 into 5, if you see this, 3 into 5 or 1 into 3. 1 into 3, you get 3. So you get a and a together, means same. 5 into 3, you get 15. So 5, 5. 0 and 5 are the only options for a. So let us take b equal to 1. So ba into b3 will be what? It will be at most 19 into 19, because they are 2-digit number. That means it will be most 19 into 19 will go up to 361. But this is 570, 57 and a. So we cannot choose 1919. For that it has to be more than 500. So we cannot take b equal to 1. So let us take b equal to 3. Now ba into b3, let us take 30 into 30. We go up to 900. But 57a is less than. So this b cannot be equal to 3 also. Now 1 cannot take, we cannot take, 3 cannot take. So b equal to 2. Let us take this. So multiplication can be either 2 0 into 2 3 or 2 5 into 2 3. If you take 0, it will be 0. If you take 5, it will be 5. Because a has the option 0 or 1. Now let us take 20 into 23, you get 460. Let us take 25 into 23, you get exactly 575, which is required, which is the answer. So a is 5 and b is equal to 2.